I think CMTI is the only option for them to get placed in better and good MNC companies. I think CMTI is the only option left for them. I think
Okay.
they will train, they will give their best to make their career bright, their students' career bright. And again, thanks to CMTI.
Hi Deepu, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Yeah, Deepu. And this is Megha from Quality Department.
Yes,
So I required a feedback from your side. So
sure.
yeah, introduce yourself, Deepu.
Uh, Myself, Deepu G. Ramat, and I've been working as interior design in eSpace. And just when I wanted to switch the company, then my friend referred the CMTI, and rest is now I got placed in home lane.
Yeah, Deepu, like which year passed out here?
I'm 22, 22.
22 passed out. Okay. Then yeah. Then when did your training here at CMTI?
Um, at September, I think at the same year, September, I joined CMTI, and by all your support and hard work, now I am entering the home lane now. Yes.
Online. Okay. Can you share your experience in the cracking of placements?
Yeah. Firstly, thanks to CMTI. I think they trained me well. So I'm. It was easy to crack that home lane interview. They asked some experienced questions, so I was able to answer very quickly and come confidently. Which
How is the company?
yeah, it's good. It's a big MNC company. I think my future will be bright. I think.
Okay, which course did here? Like which training you have trained?
I think I've gone through interior designing software courses like SketchUp and Revit, 3ds Max, everything. And by I thanks for all the supporting staff there. Yes.
Okay. And the trainers? How was the trainers for you?
Yeah, they are friendly. They were very friendly, and I was what do you call, they are very open, so that I could ask their doubts and I can approach them anytime, even through call or even through I can meet in person like that.
And what are you wishing to say your friends regarding the cracking of placements? Can you give any tips for them?
Sure. I think CMTI is the only option for them to get placed in better and good MNC companies. I think CMTI is the only option left for them. I think
Okay.
they will train, they will give their best to make their career bright, their students' career bright. And again, thanks to CMTI.
Okay, Deepu. And what you are gonna further you gonna refer your friends and juniors
Sure,
the
sure,
same.
surely, ma'am, why not?
Okay, Deepu. It was nice talking with you and all the best for your futures.
Thank
Once
you.
again, congratulations for your placement
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
and thank you for your feedback.
Okay.